I never thought that mixing just a few simple household ingredients could give results like this. Ever since I discovered this trick, I haven't spent a single cent on overpriced store products. It's quick, easy, and you already have everything at home. Start with 1 capful of fabric softener of your choice in a bowl. The scent you pick is important because it's the one that will fill your home. Floral, fruity, or fresh. Just choose the one you like best. Next, add 200 milliliters of vinegar. Its sharp smell disappears quickly, but together with the fabric softener, it boosts the effect and helps keep everything fresh and clean. Friends, write in the comments where you're watching from. Thank you. For extra strength, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Any fragrance you prefer will work. Now, pour a glass of water into a pot and add a little ground cinnamon. Stir well until everything dissolves completely. Pour it into a spray bottle. You've now made a solution with 2 purposes. The first is cleaning, and the second is repelling insects. You can use it on floors, bathrooms, tiles, and other surfaces. Spray the surface and wipe it with a cloth. Everything shines as if you were using the most expensive cleaning product. Share this video with your friends and check out our next video on your screen. Thank you and goodbye.